Today we're talking about a man who is defying the odds on the icy tracks of Italy. We are talking about an Ismaili from Canada. If you've been following the 2026 Winter Olympics in Milano Cortina, you've likely heard the name Devin Wardrope. But his journey is about much more than racing down a frozen track at over 130 kilometers per hour. It's a story of living a double life, surviving a career-threatening injury, and making a comeback that even his doctors doubted. From working as a correctional officer in a jail to becoming one of Canada's top Olympic luge athletes, this is the real story of Devin Wardrope. Born and raised in Calgary, Alberta, Devin grew up in a city where winter sports are part of everyday life. He competes in the Men's Doubles Luge event alongside his longtime partner, Cole Zajanski. What makes Devin stand out is his dual career. Competing in a niche sport like luge is financially and mentally demanding. To support himself and continue chasing his Olympic dream, Devin works as a correctional officer. One day he's managing high-pressure situations inside a prison, and the next, he's speeding down an icy mountain track. This unique balance has built incredible mental toughness, discipline, and focus. However, his road to the 2026 Olympics was nearly cut short. A few seasons ago, Devin suffered a severe elbow dislocation, twice. In luge, the start is critical. Athletes rely heavily on their arms to paddle and launch themselves off the starting line. A serious elbow injury can end a career. Many doubted he would return to top-level competition, but Devin committed to an intense rehabilitation process. For months, he worked quietly and relentlessly, just to regain the strength needed to hold and control his sled again. His determination paid off. Devin returned to the World Cup circuit and proved that his Olympic dream was still alive. In 2025, at the FIL World Luge Championships in Whistler, he and his teammates won a bronze medal in the team relay, one of the biggest achievements of his career. He is also a gold medalist from the 2023 America Pacific Championships. Despite funding cuts in Canada and the closure of his home training track in Calgary, Devin and Cole continue traveling the world, often on limited budgets, determined to compete at the highest level. Now at the 2026 Winter Olympics in Italy, Devin Wardrope is competing among the best in the world. In the men's doubles event, he has already shown strong performances in the early rounds. Off the track, he mentors young students through the Classroom Champions program, teaching them about perseverance, resilience, and overcoming obstacles. When you watch Devin on the screen, remember that you're not just seeing an athlete racing at incredible speeds. You're witnessing a man who refused to let injury, financial challenges, or a demanding job stop him from reaching the highest stage in sport. His story is proof that with grit, discipline, and belief, no obstacle is too great to overcome. As one community, we pray for his success in the coming days and in life.